Hello everyone, Linus here. We're spending more and more time staring at screens these days, and it's more important than ever to think about how that's affecting our health, specifically our eye health. Choosing the right screen can make a world of difference when it comes to eye strain and long-term eye health. Today, we're diving into the best screen features that help reduce eye strain. We'll be looking at everything from panel types and refresh rates to blue light filters and anti-glare coatings. By the end of this video, you'll be armed with the knowledge you need to pick the perfect screen that won't have your eyes feeling like they're about to pop out. Alright, let's start with the basics, panel types. You've probably heard of IPS panels, but what makes them so special? IPS stands for in-plane switching, and it basically refers to how the liquid crystals in the display are aligned. This technology allows for wider viewing angles, meaning you get consistent colors and contrast even when you're not looking at the screen dead on. But here's the kicker for eye health. IPS panels generally offer better color accuracy and consistency compared to those older TN panels. Trust me, your eyes will thank you for those vibrant and accurate colors, especially after staring at a screen for hours on end. Plus, with IPS, you're less likely to experience those annoying color shifts that can strain your eyes. Now, let's talk about OLED, or Organic Light Emitting Diode. This technology is a real game changer, and it's becoming increasingly popular in monitors and laptops. So how does it work? Unlike traditional LCD screens that rely on a backlight, OLED panels have individual pixels that emit their own light. This means you get incredible contrast ratios and deep, inky blacks because pixels can be completely turned off when displaying black. But the real magic for your eyes is the reduced blue light emission and overall lower luminance levels. We'll talk more about blue light later, but just know that OLED's ability to reduce it without sacrificing color accuracy is a major win for eye comfort. Ever get that annoying flickering feeling from your screen, especially under certain lighting conditions? That's likely due to something called PWM, or pulse width modulation. Many screens use this technique to control brightness, but it can lead to eye fatigue and headaches for some people. The good news is that some manufacturers are now offering flicker-free technology. These displays use a different method for brightness control, eliminating that pesky flickering and reducing eye strain. So, if you're prone to headaches or eye fatigue, definitely look for a monitor or laptop that boasts flicker-free technology. Your eyes will be forever grateful. Let's talk about blue light, the silent disruptor of sleep. Blue light is a high-energy light wave emitted from screens, and it can interfere with our sleep-wake cycle by messing with our melatonin production. Luckily, many devices now come equipped with low blue light filters or night modes. These features adjust the screen's color temperature, reducing the amount of blue light emitted without making the display look too yellow or washed out. It's a simple but effective way to reduce eye strain and protect your sleep, especially if you're like me and love to tinker with your devices late at night. We've all been there, battling those pesky reflections on our screens, especially in brightly lit environments. Anti-glare coatings are here to save the day. These coatings help to diffuse the light reflecting off the screen, reducing glare and improving visibility. This is especially important for reducing eye strain because you're not constantly squinting to see what's on the screen. Whether you're working in a brightly lit office or enjoying some outdoor computing, an anti-glare coating can significantly improve your viewing experience and keep your eyes happy. Gamers, this one's for you, but it's beneficial for everyone. Refresh rate refers to how many times per second the image on your screen is refreshed. A higher refresh rate, like 144 Hz or even 240 Hz, results in a smoother, more fluid image. Now, how does this benefit your eyes? A higher refresh rate reduces something called motion blur, which can make it harder for your eyes to track moving objects on the screen. This means less eye strain, especially during fast-paced gaming or video editing. But even if you're not a hardcore gamer, a higher refresh rate can make everyday tasks like scrolling through web pages and documents feel smoother and less fatiguing on your eyes. Last but not least, let's talk about brightness and contrast. These settings are often overlooked, but they play a crucial role in eye comfort. Adjusting your brightness and contrast to match your surrounding lighting conditions is key. If your screen is too bright in a dimly lit room, it can cause eye strain. Conversely, If your screen is too dim in a bright environment, you'll find yourself squinting to see, again leading to eye fatigue. Take a moment to adjust these settings based on your environment, and your eyes will thank you. So there you have it, the key features to look for when choosing the best screen for your eye health. Remember, investing in a screen that prioritizes eye comfort is crucial in today's digital age. But it's not just about the hardware, folks. Practice healthy screen habits like taking breaks, adjusting your lighting, and maybe even investing in some computer glasses. Stay safe and keep your eyes healthy. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips.